Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful insights. All the links mentioned in this comparison are down in the description below. This review is based on my personal experiences. Here at Rome Tips, we're comparing two major banking institutions, JPMorgan Chase and KeyBank. Which one comes out on top? Let's dive into the details to help you make the best decision for your financial needs. JPMorgan Chase, a behemoth in the U.S. banking landscape, provides a vast array of financial products and services. From everyday checking and savings accounts to mortgages, credit cards, wealth management services, and even small business loans, Chase offers a comprehensive suite. With a nationwide network of physical branches and ATMs, combined with a robust and user-friendly digital platform, Chase offers unparalleled convenience. Their highly regarded credit card rewards program adds another layer of appeal. This makes Chase a compelling choice for individuals seeking a single institution to handle all their financial needs. This is particularly true for entrepreneurs requiring adaptable business solutions and frequent travelers who appreciate the widespread branch access. KeyBank, while not as geographically expansive as Chase, holds a strong regional presence, primarily serving the Midwest, Northeast, and Northwest. KeyBank distinguishes itself through its personalized customer service and community-focused approach. Their checking and savings accounts often include options to waive monthly fees, making them highly competitive. Furthermore, KeyBank's lending products, including personal loans, mortgages, and business loans, are designed with accessibility and customer satisfaction in mind. KeyBank also provides reliable business banking solutions tailored to small and mid-sized companies, leveraging their local market expertise. While KeyBank's digital tools are solid and constantly evolving, they may not offer the same breadth of features as Chase's platform. For customers who prioritize personalized service and a strong regional presence, KeyBank's community-centric approach and established local relationships offer a distinct advantage. When it comes to fees, both banks provide account options with fee waivers, often linked to direct deposits, maintaining minimum balances, or utilizing other qualifying services. Both institutions also boast strong customer service reputations, although individual experiences can vary depending on the specific branch and location. If you prioritize extensive national coverage, a diverse credit card portfolio, a comprehensive range of financial products, and cutting-edge digital banking capabilities, JPMorgan Chase may be the better fit. Conversely, if you value a more localized, community-focused banking experience, streamlined fee structures, and personalized service, KeyBank could be the ideal choice. Ultimately, the best bank for you depends on your individual circumstances, financial goals, location, and preferred banking style. Carefully consider these factors before making your final decision.